Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we build your perfect dream mansion. Would you rather build your fantastic dream house? With amazing dreamy choices. But before we get started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. First step. Choose your dream home. Choose wisely, it's your forever living room. Time to add some sparkle. Which chandelier would you pick? 1, 2, or 3? Next up, choose your bedroom. Imagine yourself in one of these. Now picture your living room. Would you hang out in the pink, blue, or green one? Time to pick your suitcase. Which one matches with your vibe best? Outside, your inflatable pool is waiting. Which one are you claiming? Let's move on. Choose your door. Option 1, Option 2, or Option 3. Here's a fun round. Would you rather comment your best friend name, your birthday, or your favorite movie? Next view. Do you want to see mountains, the ocean, or a city skyline from your window? Now it's time to design your ultimate gaming room. Do you go with Sonic, Barbie, or Minecraft mode? Adventure time. Would you rather make waves with Mickey Mouse, Tweety, or Stitch? Choose your pet. Stylish dog, cute kitty, or the cool bunny. Make your choice. Bonus round. Pick the coolest outfit for your pet. Ready, go! Time's up. Share your choice in the comments. Now, which pet house is their dream home? Left, middle, or right? Moving on. How about your ideal front yard? Here's a fun one. Let's create the most awesome toilet ever. Make your choice. Don't forget your toilet paper holder. Which one you want? Back inside the quiz house. Time to pick your dream bunk bed. Which one would you go with? Next up, which bathroom has the ultimate vibe? Left, middle, or right? Time to choose your staircase. Which one matches with your dream home style? Which lounger would you nap on right now? Choose your garden. Which one feels like it was designed just for you? Here comes the garage. Would you rather drive a Ferrari, Lamborghini, or a Porsche? Now a quick one. Choose your toaster. First, second, or third, make your choice. Which jacuzzi would you dive into? Which one would you dive in? Time to pick your comfiest sitting place. Which chair do you pick for ultimate relaxation? Big decision. Would you build Castle 1, Castle 2, or Castle 3? Challenge for Stitch fans. Land Stitch in a right spot so he could enjoy dancing. How many attempts it takes? Comment your answer down below. Coffee time. Pick your coffee maker. Minecraft, Hello Kitty, or the Sonic style. How about your flower couch? You can only choose one. Your floor needs a carpet. Which carpet gives your feet cozy vibes? Pick one. Next, which earbuds match your style? Time to cook your favorite meals. But first, pick your kitchen style. Now pick your home pool. Which one you want in your dream house? If you enjoy, then hit the like button, comment your favorite color, and hit the subscribe for more fun challenges. Let's sliding into fun. Which water slide you pick? Let's move on. Choose your dressing table. Which store would you like in your dream house? Time to pick your night lamp. Which one you pick? Book lovers, pick your home library, where you read your favorite stories. Let's pick your playful backyard. First, second, or third option. Make your choice. Time to pick your sofa cum bed. Which one gives your cozy vibes? Now let's pick a dining table for your house. 1, 2, or 3. Time to pick your fridge, where you store your favorite snacks. Sweet lovers, pick your ice cream flavor, which one you want to eat. Next round. Which game is your favorite? Comment down below. Memory test. Remember the position of every character. Where is Sonic is hiding? Correct. It's under number 4. Now, choose your creative bed. Sonic, Hello Kitty, or the SpongeBob style. Which workspace makes work feel fun instead of stressful? Pick your favorite flower bouquet. Which one you love? Time to pick your headphones. Which one matches with your style best? And what about your phone? Which one do you want? Would you like a balcony like this in your house? Pick your neon sign. Stitch, Hello Kitty, or Pikachu. Which one is your dream glow? Choose your inflatable. First, second, or third. Now your aquarium. Which one is the best fit? Music lovers, which instrument you want to play in your dream house? Final choice. Time to choose your plush toy. Which one looks the coolest to you? That was fantastic dream house adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.